I'm Jeffrey again. I'm going to teach you how to get the derivative of a reciprocal. First, this is the equation you need to get the derivative of a reciprocal. Then I'll give you an example here. 1 over 3x cubed minus 4. First thing you need to do is always remember to get the derivative of a reciprocal, the numerator should always be 1. And then you need to get the derivative of the denominator multiply to the numerator.
Ilang items? Ano mo kita naman?
There. The derivative of the denominator is 9x squared. Then all you need to do is just multiply the derivative of the denominator to the numerator. There. You need to put a you should make the denominators squared and put a negative sign. That's all. That's how you can get the derivative of a reciprocal.